What's going on? Welcome back. It is December 9th, 12:48 p.m. right now. We are heading to the family farm and we are going to sit this evening. I'm feeling really good about it. We've got some good weather. It's not quite as cold as I'd like it to be. It's 48 degrees out right now, right smack in the middle of the day. We're gonna have some pretty good winds this evening. Strong winds, unfortunately, but good winds for the stand that I'm going to. So anyways, yeah, I'm leaving the house now and we've got about a 45-minute drive there. We'll get all set up and get in there nice and early. I'm hoping to get in there by 2 o'clock, so we'll see. Gosh, it is so freaking windy. These are so good, by the way. New favorite energy drink right here. All right, this quiver is the worst. Let's get out there. All right, so we're finally set up in the stand. It is 2:30. We're getting in here about 30 minutes later than I wanted to, but we still have plenty of time. I mean, we've got 3 full hours of hunting, so let's just try to make the most of each and every moment. Enjoy this beautiful, beautiful scenery. Enjoy this beautiful evening. It's breezy, but man, it feels incredible. It's gonna get chilly here soon, but right now it just feels incredible. So, and then my dad's lucky 2-man stand. He loves this. This is his favorite spot. But just gonna sit here and enjoy the view, and hopefully we can get something slipping up here tonight because it's getting into the season, man. It's December 9th. We've got a strong 15-mile-an-hour wind pushing straight from our back to this way, right in front of us. So we've got a really good wind for this stand. We just gotta control what we can control, and that's all we can do. But other than that, I'm just gonna sit here for the next few hours and enjoy this beautiful evening. So got 2 doe right downwind of me, making their way down the path. Pray to God there's a big buck that steps up. I'm with them. That's crazy. I've been in this stand 20 minutes. These does know something's up, man. That's the path I walked down to get here. They're both look like mature does. They look like they're both being pretty weary down there, like 200 yards away. They both just went back into the timber. But that's good though, we already got deer on their feet. I've got a basket rack at like 250 yards in front of me here. He's right on the edge of a tree line scraping his horns. He's not very big though. Oh, there's 2 bucks. The other one's a lot bigger. $3. got him all corralled over. He won't let him out of his sight. He's got a hot deal with that group, obviously. And that other bigger buck, that's what he did, was he chased off another doe, so there's definitely such thing as a second rut, that's for dang sure. Okay, so it is the next day, currently 10th. Wow, it's December 10th already. So obviously we didn't get the deer killed. As I say right now, it's currently December 10th. Yesterday, this video, man, just a crazy evening sit. Just was covered up in deer all night long. Barometric pressure was right at 30. It was really, everything looked really good, and everything looked exactly the same for this evening, or for the December 10th, where I'm going to sit right now. So stay tuned for that video, because that's what's coming up next. But anyways, yeah, what a crazy evening. Just covered up in deer the whole time. Had that big shooter come in. I had walked that path looking for a separate stand beforehand, and he came down that exact same path, and man, it was like the second he stepped right where I was, the does started boogering around, and the buck didn't waste any time, and the does shot off, and then he shot off, and I grunted at him a couple times, of course, and it just didn't work out. But was covered up in deer until literally last shooting light. Had those two little basket rack bucks coming right in. So it was a great night, covered up in deer, like I said. But anyways, one step closer. We're learning something every night, so we're almost there. I just feel like any sit now, it's gonna happen. Just got to be at the right place at the right time with the right wind. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. The hunt continues. So thanks for watching.